they might go ahead already and block the website and you might not have an access to your funds tomorrow, which you do not want to happen. Hello mga kameranda, a quick video on ano ba ang palagi ko na potential mangyari after SEC sent a press release about them proceeding to go ahead and block Binance website. So this is not new anymore. Way back November of last year, sila po ay nagparamdam na, SEC na giving warning to the public na umalis na sa Binance because it's not registered in the Philippines. Ano ba ang palagi ko dyan? Unang-una, let's look at it from a legal perspective. So according to my interview with Attorney Padilla, there are a couple of steps na mukhang na-miss ng SEC because they went ahead and order for the blocking, which can in turn result into someone questioning this to the Court of Appeals in terms of a temporary restraining order or TRO para ipapause or pahinto muna yung kanilang particular order because tingin natin merong na-miss ang SEC. Ano ba yun, Miranda? By tradition or by process, according to Attorney Padilla, ito daw ay ang pag-issue muna ng cease and desist order or CDO mga kameranda. In this particular case, pwedeng magkaroon ng action ang Binance by after that order, but they're not able to do that simply because the order was already to block the access of Binance or the website itself in Philippines from an IP address perspective. Tingin ko medyo malalimang legal na proceedings ito. Ang tanong meron bang gagawin ng Binance mga kameranda? But there are two important parties to the case. Aside from SEC, it will be Binance and of course the users who are affected. According to Attorney Padilla, medyo hyper-technical, I'll use this term, kapag i-discuss natin ng participation ng Binance simply because they need to have someone in the Philippines to represent them. But besides the point, is focused to the users. Anyone who's actually affected, is party to the case, and if you are a user, you can actually file a case to the Court of Appeals and make it file for a TRO mga kameranda. Tingin ko medyo technical at legal na proseso yan, so we're gonna be obviously relying to the experts who are legal on that. But from an influencer perspective, my opinion is ito po ay malayo, malalim, mahaba pang proseso, at ito po ay maaaring panandalian lamang na maging mainit na discussion simply because IC panandalian magiging mabilis po ito na discussion simply because maaaring mangyari na po agad yung blocking na yan. Bakit? There was a precedent. Nangyari na yan sa MyTrade at sa Okta FX. Unless someone confronts it with the TRO, it might happen. Therefore, you need to err on the side of safety. Alagaan po niyo inyong funds. Pera nyo pa din yan. So I would rather us to repurpose and transfer our funds already to outside Binance, Miranda, at least whatever happens, because there's always a possibility of them already blocking, like what they did for MyTrade and also in Okta FX. They might go ahead already and block the website and you might not have an access to your funds tomorrow, which you do not want to happen. So more to come on this, Miranda. Babantayan po natin ito and I think marami pa tayo matututunan dito. That's my humble opinion, Miranda. That's it for now at Like for Part 2.